I think jumpsuits are great for workshops and conferences because they are so easy to dress up, perhaps when you go out a bit later, and to bring them down and make them a little bit more casual for the daytime. So this one I have picked up from Shop Bodega, and I have put, for the moment, a Zara waistcoat over the top. So because it's summer, especially if you're going to conferences in London and you're hot on the tube, perfect kind of outfit to keep those armpits cool is these sort of waistcoat outfits, which I think look really fantastic and very on trend right now. I especially love the double-breasted element to it. I love a sort of double-breasted look. Great thing, like I said, about if you go for drinks afterwards at a conference, is to be able to slip off your waistcoat perhaps, and then there you have it. You've taken it into an evening outfit straight away. Pair of heels and off you go. A tip I would like to perhaps share, so although I do really like muted colours, I think sometimes it is great to kind of go out of your comfort zone a little bit, or perhaps not in the comfort zone if, like, unlike me, you don't normally wear bright colours, is to put something bright on, because it's kind of a talking point and you stand out at a conference in a sea of people, particularly if everyone's kind of dressed in like dark blazers or what have you. Then a great way to make yourself noticed is to give yourself a pop of colour. So this blazer again is from Zara. The kind of burnt orange goes really nice with this khaki kind of coloured jumpsuit I have underneath, and khaki is a real great colour for the summer and very on trend this season. And the little diamante clutch gives it that little bit of elegance. Let's get trying on some outfit options. I have picked this one from Zara. It's an all blue suit, and I thought it looked quite nice paired with this sort of white vest. This little white kind of, my kids call it a polo bag, and these June shoes. I think it looks really nice and summery. So yeah, the bag is from Accessorize, but it's old. The top is from Oasis. The suit is from Zara, and again, I think this looks quite nice as a sort of outfit to wear to a conference, to stand out, particularly if you're style conscious, then this is kind of a great one. But let me know what kind of colour blue this is, I'm not quite certain. We'll link to everything in the details down below. So because I work in designing slogan clothing, for me, I would want to wear something to a conference that shows off what I do. And I also obviously do style YouTube videos, so I want to make sure that whatever I'm wearing has a bit of an impact. And I really love this bubblegum blazer, double-breasted blazer from Zara. I think it is really cool. And I think it's fine at a conference because it's not so formal that you can mix it up with a pair of jeans. And I think these light coloured ones look really nice with this kind of colour, baby pink. I've got my Michael Kors little clutch bag, and I really think it's a good idea when you're going to conferences, if you have business cards. I know lots of us don't have business cards anymore, we kind of more do it on our phone, follow me on Instagram or follow my website, what have you. But this is perfect because it has a tiny little pocket, which is great for putting business cards in. And so you're not fumbling around when you're talking to someone, that you can literally just quickly put your hand in, pull out your business cards, and just look that little bit more professional. Now I think with this outfit, I love a clash of colours, and I really like red with pink together. So I would wear these red heels with my jeans and this baby pink blazer. And then when it gets hotter, again showing off my merchandise, then I can just quickly open it up, and here you have it. I have my slogan vest on underneath. So I also absolutely love red, and this blazer from Zara I think is going to end up being a keeper. So the collar is a sort of silk fabric, so it feels like a proper dinner jacket. And the colour is just beautiful, it really, really pops. And I think it looks great with my grit and grace vest and with jeans, and I'm really not sure what colour pair of shoes I'd wear. I'd probably stick perhaps to red, or perhaps go a bit more subtle with a white pair or maybe a nude pair, but it's definitely a very striking jacket. Now I really love these double-breasted waistcoats, and this one again is from Zara. Great because if it's a hot day, it's perfect for giving you a bit of air underneath your armpits. And then again, if you're going out in the evening, you can strip away the waistcoat, although I don't think you really need to because it is a really good outfit to take from day to night. And you can have your sort of vest or cami underneath. But like I said, this is a perfect outfit to wear out as well, and very on trend right now. And final outfit, this blazer is from Zara with these leather trousers from Shop Bodega and a belt from Accessorize. It's a nice outfit, and if you wanted to jazz it up, if you're wearing some plain black court shoes with these and you wanted to jazz it up perhaps in the evening, then there are these little kind of shoe brooches, I suppose, that clip onto your shoes. So if you're wearing a pair of plain court shoes, you can clip these little jewels on. There's different styles that you can get from June, and they're £20, but obviously they can really lift your shoes, and if you're getting bored of your shoes anyway, they're a great way to change them up a little bit. As always, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please let me know in the comments which outfit you like the best. Next week I'm going to be doing a video about how to pack for holidays, particularly when you have children with you. So I'm going to be doing a couple in this series. I'm going to be doing what to pack on your onboard bags, some hints and tips I have learned from experience over my holiday last week. It's with hindsight that I'm going to be sharing these tips with you, which will make them even more valuable because I've learnt from a few of my mistakes and a few things that I wish I could have done it differently had I known then what I know now. So definitely stay tuned for that one next week. For now, I will see you next time. Bye.